Spanish latte?
Yeah, actually, I want Spanish latwa. You have Spanish latwa?
We only have Spanish latte.
So guys, walang Spanish latwa. I want Spanish latwa. So one Spanish latwa, please.
Ice wala hot.
Ice latwa.
Latwa?
Yeah.
Second content creator.
Yeah.
We will promote their. We will promote their.
Yeah.
So,
Deep and deep, guy.
I will be there. So guys, we would like to recommend Deep and Deep, guys. Their coffee is very
Latwa.
Yeah. If you know how to pronounce the latte from Latwa, then come and come and visit Deep and Deep in Doha Festival City, guys.
And you
And
can order
then-
Spanish latwa.
And then with this very sweet girl, what's your name? Jojo, Josme,
Josephine.
Josephine, and the very friendly, handsome guy. What's your name? Hansarul, okay? So these are the staff of Deep and Deep, guys, who are very friendly and very accommodating.
Yes. But I
Okay?
really need Spanish.
And also guys, their what is this? Their shop is like it's very
It's very accommodating.
no.
Hospitable.
Always accommodating. We will change the word. Instagrammable and the ambience is it's really nice.
Ayun. So ayun guys, nandito na ating in-order na coffee, ice, Spanish, latwa. Spanish latwa. Ganon. Ang dito lang yan sa Deep in Deep. So masarap naman. Tikman natin. Ang sarap. Grabe.
So guys,
Experience mo sa Spanish latwa.
no, I didn't order Spanish latwa. For me, it's a caramel macchiato.
Machato.
So macchiato. Macchiato, you don't know how to read.
Interviewin mo yung kasama mo kasi mahihain daw.
Huwag kang mahihain, Nance. Kasi lahat ng tao na bubuhay dito sa mundo, hindi pwede maging mahihain. Kailangan may 40% ka na dapat. Kasi tingnan mo, pag mahihain ka,
Itapat mo yung mic sa bunga.
tingnan mo kung mahihain ka. If, let's say, gusto mong ma-reach yung goal mo, ma-achieve yung career mo. So paano mo makakamit yun kung ikaw ay mahihain?
Huwag mong ilayo yung mic
Kung
sa bunga
mahihain.
mo. Interviewin mo na.
Kung ikaw ay mahihain. So, kumbaga parang podcast. So, anong masasabi mo sa mga
Ilapit mo yung mic sa bunga mo.
ano ba talaga?
Caramel macchiato lang. Wala na ako sa buhay.
Ewan ko kay kuya.
Tanong ka kahit ano, kumusta yung kape niya?
Kumusta yung kape mo, Nance?
Ilapit mo yung mic sa bunga niya.
Yung kape ko, caramel macchiato.
Machato.
So far naman, mga 9/10. Mga 9/10.
So, yung rate daw niya sa caramel macchiato ng Deep and Deep is 9/10. Grabe ka naman. Sana 10/10 mo lang. Nasa Deep and Deep tayo eh.
Kasi nga, sabi nga, walang perfect.
Oh, walang perfect at walang perfect management. Pero magsahod naman kayo, uy.
Yun na. Yun lang. So ayun guys. Ayun guys. Hanggang dito na lang kasi hindi kami makapag-concentrate kami dito sa aming pagkakape. So yun, hanggang dito na lang muna for today's video. Sana'y nagustuhan nyo naman. At yeah, sa mga susunod ulit na video namin. At sana'y nagustuhan nyo. And if you do, please do like and subscribe. Maraming salamat. Bye. Love you guys more.